Premium Rainfall Shower Head, 7-inch chrome face, high-power click lever dial, rub clean jets, for easy cleaning and preventing lime buildup, angle adjustable, modern design, all chrome finish, including face, premium hand shower, can be used as overhead or handheld shower, large 4-inch face, high-power click lever dial, ergonomic grip handle, rub clean jets, for easy cleaning and preventing lime buildup, angle adjustable, modern design, all chrome finish, including face. 6 setting hand shower with Power Rain, Pulsating Massage, Power Mist, Rain Massage, Rain Mist, Water Saving Pause Mode, patented 3-way water diverter. Simply turn switch to direct water flow between two showers. Anti-Swivel Position Lock Nut for easy and secure connection, angle adjustable overhead bracket. Lets you point each shower where you want it for hands-free operation at desired angle, extra flexible 5ft. Stainless steel hose, durable heavy-duty design with brass connection nuts. Includes 7 rain shower head, hand shower, 3-way diverter with built-in bracket, shower hose, washers, plumber's tape, installation manual and stunning gift box designed in USA, sophisticated, upscale packaging for a perfect gift. Easy tool-free connection. No need to call a plumber, installs in minutes with just 3 hand tighten connections. Fits any standard shower arm. Best lifetime. Hassle-free U.S. limited lifetime with live customer service representatives in U.S. Top reviews from the United States. Best shower experience ever. Took my time installing unit, being careful not to over-tighten anything, just snug. Easy assembly, everything feels quality plus fitment excellent. I took out water flow restrictor. Just easily pops out. The most powerful, soothing, amazing shower I've ever had. Settings on wand actually are useful and feel good. It's like taking a steamy hot shower under Niagara Falls. I am getting a second unit for other bathroom. Thank you, shower people.